past 19 years, I have made countless memories, met thousands of people, cried through sleepless nights, celebrated victories, and grown into the person I am today. So, here are 10 things that I have learned in 19 years of my life. Not everyone is meant to stay in your life forever, and that's okay. Throughout our teenage years, we tend to get attached to everyone and everything so quickly. One of the hardest but most valuable lessons that I have learned is that some people just aren't meant to stay in your life forever, and that's okay. Hard work never lets you down. Put your heart in everything you do. If you want to reach your full potential, then you have to give it your all. You can't be at your best if you're not giving your best, right? Going after your dream is tough but so worth it. Following your dreams might take unexpected turns, but those are the exciting and memorable challenges of living the dream. Those challenges will help you grow as they make you step out of your comfort zone. It's okay to say no. If you are uncomfortable and you just genuinely don't feel like doing something, say no. Saying no is not always a negative thing, and just because it's easier to say yes doesn't mean you should. Spend more time with your loved ones. The best moments of your life are the ones that you spend with your family. Your family is a strength and the greatest gift of God. People may come and go, but your family is meant to stay forever. Never give up. There's always going to be someone who will tell you that you can't do it. Screw them. Don't ever give up on something that means the world to you. Don't be a people pleaser. Everyone's gonna talk no matter what you are doing, something good or bad. You are still gonna get criticized. People words do not limit what you do with your life. People words are just words. Law of attraction always works. A positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. This law always works. It literally cannot fail. According to law of attraction, you create your own reality. Prayer is powerful. God is a pillar of strength. When you have thoughts and emotions that you can't understand, talk to Him. He will listen to you and guide you. Live a life of gratitude. It's a tool towards a happier and healthier mind. Focusing on a bits of positivity allows you to look on the brighter side of things and to be grateful. All the things I have learned, there's still so much to learn. 18 years have passed and I'm beyond excited of what is still in store for me.